In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Teams meeting to your Google Calendar using Gmail. This can be a great way to streamline your scheduling process and ensure all your meetings are conveniently organized in one place. Let's dive in and make this process as simple as possible. First, we need to start by going to Google Calendar. If you're not yet signed in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials to access your calendar. Make sure you remember your password and any two-factor authentication steps if they are enabled. Once you're in, you'll see your calendar view where we're going to create a new event for our Teams meeting. Click on the Create button, which usually appears as a bright plus icon. This will open a new window for you to set up your event. In the event window, you'll see a button labeled Event. Click on that to proceed with setting up the event details. You'll want to fill in all the relevant information about your meeting, such as the event title, date, and time. Make sure these details are accurate to avoid any scheduling conflicts later on. After you have input all the necessary details for your meeting, click Save. It's essential to save your progress before moving on to the next step, as it helps ensure that you don't lose any information. Now that we've saved the basic structure of your meeting, it's time to go to Teams to create the meeting link that we will later integrate into our Google Calendar event. Open Microsoft Teams in a new tab. Once logged into Teams, locate the Create a Meeting Link option and click on it. This will generate a unique link for your meeting. Clicking Create will allow you to copy this link to your clipboard. Do this carefully to ensure you have the correct link. Head back to Google Calendar in your browser. You should still see the event you saved earlier. If not, find and click to edit the event you created. In the editing window, you're looking for the space labeled Location or Description. This is where you'll paste the Teams meeting link. Choose the option that feels most intuitive for you, but the description field often provides a more detailed space for attendees to find the link. Once you have pasted the link into either the location or description, double check your event details to make sure everything looks good. It's helpful to keep the event information concise but clear so attendees know what to expect. When you're satisfied with all your edits, click Save to finalize your event. Congratulations, you've successfully scheduled a Teams meeting through Google Calendar using Gmail. Now, when the time comes for your meeting, all participants can simply click the link from their invitations to join. Keep practicing this process, and it'll soon become second nature. Enjoy your seamless scheduling experience.